Hello, everybody. I'm assuming that you've gone down the rabbit hole of APK method and trying to figure out how it works. So, in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you the basics on how to do it and the basics on how to get it set up and working and like actually running, not broken. So, first the requirements are join my server in the description. Download all of the software, and yeah, that's actually it so far. So then open up Google, go to whatever Google you want to open, go to make a PlayFab account. Once you're in PlayFab, you want to keep on creating new titles. So like create a new studio. I'm just gonna name it the AWQ2. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what the chances are, but right. So you want to keep on clicking new title, and then you want to keep naming the title whatever you want. So like top tag, or like I don't know, tutorial tag. And you want to keep doing it over and over again until you get a 5-digit PlayFab. This number right here, the title ID, needs to be 5 digits. I just got it first try somehow, so I don't have to keep doing it over and over again. But you need to keep clicking on new title and creating them until you get a 5-digit. So I'm just going to delete this one. I'm going to rename this one to tutorial tag. Just like that. Save title. Okay. Also, open Photon, create a new account, click on Apps, Development, and now we will need to create a Photon. So, create a Photon, make this one real time, and then I'm just going to do tutorial tag. Make sure it's real time. Create a new app, type voice this time, tutorial tag, create. Okay, now the first step to doing this is setting up your PlayFab. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to add-ons, scroll down to here, click on Photon, scroll down, real-time app ID, chat app ID. Go over to here, tutorial tag, real-time, put it there. Tutorial tag voice, put it there. Install Photon. Photon installed. Great. Next thing that you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to CloudScript. Actually, no, wait, not CloudScript yet. Go to Economy and UGC, Currency Legacy, New Currency, Currency Code, SR, Display Name, Shiny Rocks, Initial Deposit, whatever that says, Recharge Rate, that, and then the number can't be too high, so I just leave it like this. Then make sure it looks just like this. Click Save Currency. There, you have your currency. Now go to Catalogs Legacy. Go to My Server. At the DLC here, download this DLC. And put the DLC in to the thing, the JSON. If I can find it, holy crap. Creator Fest. Yeah, put the DLC in, it should work, because you already made your currency. Perfect, there you go. You have cosmetics now. Now, you go to CloudScript, Revisions Legacy, go to My Server, download the SSFixed right here. Once you have that downloaded, open it up, copy everything, paste it into here, click Save as Revision 2, deploy this revision after save, and then click Save and Deploy. There you go. And now you're going to want to go over to Functions, Register Function, type HTTP, function name, check for bad name, just like this, function URL. you're going to want to go back to my server, check for bad name, copy this right here, and paste it right there. Register function. There's check for bad name. Click register function. Function name, CY-sided, just like this. Function URL. You want to go to my server, and you want to go to CY-sided function. Copy this right here. Paste in like a new tab or a notepad, it really doesn't matter. Your PlayFab ID, PlayFab logic. So you want to get your PlayFab ID, just like this, and paste it where it says your PlayFab ID. Paste it right there, just like that. Then your Photon secret key, so you're going to want to go to add-ons, scroll down, Photon, view, this is your Photon secret key. Copy all of it, put it right there where it says your Photon secret key. Copy all of this. Go back to cloud scripts, register function, CY-sided, and paste that in there. I like to make sure that these are uppercase. I don't think it really matters, but I just do it anyways. Register function, there you go. Next thing, you want to go to settings, API features, disable all of these, enable these two, and then enable those four, just like this. So once that's done, you want to go to, I'm pretty sure that's it for Photon, actually. No, I mean for PlayFab. Okay, now you need to do your Photon. So go to your real-time tutorial tab, scroll down, click on custom server, go back to my server, and then go to the Photon stuff, copy this public backend thing, paste it in here, and click save. Scroll down to here, click on create a webhook, and then on these you want to copy, actually no wait, first before you copy all that, you want to set this to 1.0 depreciated, or however you say that. Then as you see, it's like this, and yeah, remove the little JSON thing I just removed. Here, I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see. Create a webhook, that, then remove the custom HTTP, custom headers. Then you want to, you can copy these settings or just watch the video on how to do it. I'm just gonna show you guys. So your host URL, that is this. So I hope you didn't close it. So you want to copy that again, paste it in there. Room close, room create, room created, path event, room event raised, room property updated, path join, room join, path leave, room left. Then you want to set all of these to true, true, and true. It should look exactly the same as the photo here. Make sure that this is correct as well. Then you just want to click save. Scroll all the way back up. Click back here. Go to tutorial tag, voice on your PlayFab, custom server. Again, copy this link right here. Paste it in there. Click save. Now for this webhook, you want it to look the same as this one, but you don't want it, the same as this photo. So you want it all to be set to false, but you still need your base URL to be correct. And again, remove the JSON. You can just set it to A, and then just click save, like that. And there you go. You have your PlayFab and your Photon set up. Hope I'm not going too fast. That was 10 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. Okay, so now, once we have done that, you're going to want to go and make a Meta Developer Horizons account, become a Meta developer, create a new app, and this app ID, if you go to development API, this needs to be 16 digits. If this is not 16 digits, it is not going to work. This here needs to be 16 digits, this here needs to be 16 digits. If it is 17 or 15, it will not work. I'm gonna count mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 digits. Make sure. Okay, anyways, continuing. You want to scroll down here. You want to click on requirements, data use checkup, and then, of course, do the self-certification, confirm all that. Now, once that's done, On user ID, click on add, select a usage case. You use multiplayer with Photon/PlayFab. You want to go over here, find the data use, and copy this. Click add to request. User profile, add. As you can see, it's basically the same thing. Use multiplayer with Photon/PlayFab. Copy all of this. Oops. Paste in there, add to request. Click add on user age group. Click on receive that. Copy this line right here. Add to request. Submit requests. Just click no, and then just enter like a random name, Bob Barley. That's just a random name. United States of America. No. None of the above. United States of America. Next. Now on the privacy policy, literally just copy this. You don't have to change it at all. Just paste it there. Go to the privacy policy thing, obviously. Click submit for review. And I'm going to pause the recording and come back to you once it says active. Okay, for me it took about 1 minute, 2 minutes. It should say active here, just like this. There you go. So now you have data use checkup on and working. Now, time for the fun part. You're going to want to go and download an APK. I think I'm going to do the Science Flashback. Sure. So download your APK. I'm going to actually delete my other APKs. Just don't need them. So once you have your APK downloaded all the way, you want to open up, you should have APK Easy Tool downloaded. I already have mine downloaded right here, so I'm going to open it. Open up APK Easy Tool. Click on Browse. Oh, wait, it's still opening. Once it's opened, click on Browse. Put in your APK, which would be Science Flashback for me, and click Decompile. It should say decompiling APK like this. Now wait until it's done. It should just take a little bit, so I'll pause it. Okay, it is finished. And so now all you want to do, go to decompiled APKs, Science Flashback, Assets, Bin, Data. Now you should have all of this stuff. Now you want to open up UABEA that you downloaded from the software section here. UABEA. You want to search here, Global Game Managers. Just like this. Take this one right here, drag it into here, and now wait for it to open. It will take a little bit, so I'll pause it and come back to you guys. Okay, mine has now opened. So once you have this asset info thing open, press Control F, search up PlayFab Shared Settings. Just like this. It should take you down to PlayFab Shared Settings. Now, you want to create 2 folders. I'm just going to delete everything in these folders. Not photos, what am I saying? You need to have 2 folders. One stands for old, and the other stands for new. So, you're going to want to, on PlayFab Shared Settings, this one right here, click on Export Raw. Go to the old one, and click Save. Now for Photon server settings, click on Export Raw. On the old one, click Save. Scroll up a little bit. Actually, no, don't scroll up. It's right here. Or find Oculus platform settings. You can also do it by going in here and typing Oculus platform settings. Just like this. Obviously, I'm already on it, but it's here. Export Raw. Make sure it saves to the old one. Click Save. There. Now, click. Don't actually close it, just click on this. Now, you're going to want to open up HXD. I'm going to show you guys how to download HXD because it gets very confusing. Okay. Don't open it that one. Paste it there. It should take you to here. Scroll down just a little bit until you find the English one. and then just click download per HTTPS. That's it. Pretty easy. Now open up HXD. Click on the open button here. Go to Toot Old, and then open up your PlayFab shared settings. Obviously, you're going to need a 5-digit PlayFab. I've done this a million times. Copy it. Go to HXD. Paste it there. As you can see, it should be in like red like this. Click File, Save As, and then you're going to want to save it to your new one. Click Save. Then you want to just basically do that for all of them. So open it. Go to the old. I just did PlayFab, and I'm going to do Oculus. As you can see here, it's opened. I have my 16-digit Oculus. You're going to want to paste it here. Paste it there. It should look the same, except the number should change to like red, but it should be like in the same format. Then click File, Save As. Save it to Toot New. Click Save. You want to go back to the old one. Find Photon server settings, or whatever one you haven't edited yet. This is your real time. This is your voice, to simply put it. So you're going to want to go to your real time. Copy it. Be tutorial tag for me. Paste it in there. You want to go to your tutorial tag voice, or whatever you have it named as. Paste it there. So it should look like this. File, save as. You're going to want to go to Toot New and click Save. Cool. That's all you have to do in HXD. Now open back up UABEA. Click on PlayFab shared settings. Import RAW. And then you're going to want to go to the new one. And then you want to open PlayFab shared settings. It should have a little thing here once it's been modified. Photon server settings. Import RAW. Double click on Photon server settings. It should import there. Make sure I did that right. Photon server settings. Yes. Oculus platform settings. Import RAW. And then Oculus platform settings. Now once this is done, click File, Save. File, Save. Probably do it twice just to be sure. X out of this, and X out of UABEA. Okay, cool. That's done. So I'm assuming that you guys are going to want long arms on your copy. So I'm going to show you how to get long arms. Type in level0.split0, just like this. Open up UABEA. Drag this into here. Click yes. And then click Save again. Wait for it to open. It might take a minute. I'll come back to you. Okay, it is open now. You want to go up to here. Click Tools, Scene Hierarchy. Wait a minute for it to open. It does take a little while. Come back to you guys when it's open. Okay, my scene hierarchy is now open. Once it's like this, you're going to want to click on Player Objects, Player VR Controller. On the transform base here, right click, click Edit Asset. And on the local scale here, you're going to want to change it to whatever long arms you want. I prefer 1.3 because it gives you a good long arm. I would prefer that for everybody else as well, but you can do whatever you want. 1.25 is a little bit less, but, you know. Now you want to scroll down here to Miscellaneous Scripts. Click on Legal Agreement Check. Click on Legal Agreements. Like this. Click down on the game object. Click down on View Asset. When I click View Asset, click on Edit Asset. Set this to False. Okay, Legal Agreement Check, and you want to just do the same thing. View Asset, Edit Asset. False. Okay. Now you want to X out of this. File, Save. Now this is going to take a little bit, so give it a little while. I'll be back. Alright, mine is fully saved now. Now you can just X out of this, and make sure to delete the old level 0 split 0. So if you have level 0, search up level 0.split0, and then delete this. Make sure that that's deleted. It should be in your recycle bin. As you can see, it's right there. Click delete. Just type in level 0.split0. Make sure it's really gone, because if it's not gone, it will break your game. So, there, that's you added long arms. Now, you're going to want to go back to my server. Again, download the metadata string editor. Type in metadata string editor, English, and then you're going to want to click on load. And you're going to go to whatever update you're doing. Compiled, science flashback, assets, bin, data, managed, metadata, global metadata. Wait for it to load. You're going to want to go back to my server, click on gtag info, and then you're going to want to put in, actually I'm going to start with all of the customization stuff. So to change the Gorilla OS, you're going to want to search up Gorilla OS just like this. Click on edit, and then if you want to change the color, you can. I'm going to change mine to blue. Sure, why not? So I'm just going to make this say tutorial OS. Make sure that you add an extra space or it's going to look weird. Click save. Then you're going to want to search up to change like the Gorilla name when you spawn in. You can type in Gopher. Gorilla's going to be right under it. Then you can change it to whatever you want. I'm just going to do tutorial or like toot. Sure, I'll just change it to toot. And now we're going to go on and edit the actual stuff. So, go to gtag info. This is your real time, this is your voice. Search up the real time, 981A. Click on it, click edit. Go to your Photon, copy your real time ID, paste it in there, click save. This is your voice, copy it. It should also have a little modified thing. Search it up, click on edit, and this is your voice. So copy your voice, go back to here, save, just like this. Now you're gonna wanna type in, 63FTD, you can also type it in, 63FTD. This is your playfab, click on edit, get your 5-digit playfab, paste it in there. There you go. Now, time for everybody's favorite part, backends. You need to make a backend. So type in gtag like this. Now, this is where it gets kind of wonky and difficult, and this is where a lot of people fail, so I'm going to try and make this as clear as I possibly can. Go to Vercel.com, create a new account, okay? Once you go to your projects, once you get to this page, you're going to want to click on Add New Project. Clone template, browse all. You're going to want to search up Flask Hello World. This right here. Click on deploy. Connect your GitHub to it. Make sure that you have a GitHub account. For this one, I'm going to do tutorial-tag. You can name it whatever you want. Make sure that this thing is on so that your repository will be private. Click on create. Go to your GitHub account. On the created repositories, you should see it right here. Wait until this gets done building. It will take a little while, so just let it do its thing. It should say, congratulations, you just deployed a new project. Click on continue to dashboard. You're going to want to go over to the repository, right? You're going to want to go to your account, scroll down, click on created 8 repositories, and go to the tutorial tag one. Right, now you're going to want to click on API. Click on requirements here, click on this edit this file button, and then type in on the second line, requests, just like this, commit changes. Now, I'm going to want to go over to my server. Go to the best backend, download this backend right here. Once you have this backend installed, open it up, copy all of it, and you're going to want to click edit on this, make sure it's on index.py, paste it in here. Now, this Now you're gonna have to do some editing as well. Title ID, this is your playfab. Copy your playfab. Paste it here. Your secret key, this would be your playfab secret key, not your photon. Secret keys. You're gonna wanna click show. Copy this right here. This is your secret key. Paste it there. If it does this, just click on the backspace. Now this OC thing, this is your meta. So if you go to your meta thing, click on development, API, app credentials, copy all of this. Then you're going to want to paste it right into here. Just like this. Now, you're not done yet. You still have to edit all your MOTD as well. So I'm just going to change it to say like, I'm just going to get rid of all of this extra stuff. Now this is your name, because I'm assuming you're going to be the owner. You can change the colors too if you want, but I would change all of these from like Christmas tag to like Toots tag or whatever your game name is, or just change it to your straight up Discord as well. Copy this, paste it there. I'm just going to paste it on everything that says Christmas tag. Just going to do it to everything. There also, you can search up rate 5 stars. Or not, I guess. I guess this one doesn't have it. But yeah, change your MOTD to say whatever you want it to say. Oh, rate the game 5 stars, yeah. Change this to Toot tag. I don't know, just change it to whatever you want. And make sure that all of this info here is correct. And then once that's all good, you're going to want to click commit changes. And then commit changes, just like this. Now you're going to want to go back to your Vercel. It should say building. And I'm going to come back to you guys once it's done building. Okay, I am back, guys. So it should be fully built. You can refresh it and everything. Open. Once it's here and like you're on this, click on your domains, which would be this. And it should say what's up, broski, this is private backend. And this image should be here. If this image is not here, that means your server is not running. So yeah. So you're gonna wanna go back to my server. Click on the backend info. Copy all of this. Open up a notepad. Paste it in there. Then you're going to want to double click on this, copy all of this, just not the HTTPS // part, just only this. So copy that. Where it says your Vercel app name, .vercel.app, just paste in whatever yours is. So mine was obviously tutorial tag, so I'm just going to paste it in right there for all three. Now, go to metadata string editor. Like I said before, type in G tag, click on this, click edit. This will be your cache playfab ID. Copy the cache playfab ID, paste it in there, click save. Click on this one, click edit, playfab authentication. Copy this right here. This will be your playfab authentication. Click save. Scroll down a little bit till you find title data. This will be your title data. Save. Now it should all say modified, and yeah. So now all I want to do is click save, add like a 2 to this, and then you click save. It should say update complete like this. You can X out of that. Go back to your APK Easy tool. As you know, go here, data, scroll all the way down to your metadata, managed metadata, delete the old one, rename the new one, and just remove the 2. That's your metadata. So now you are ready to start compiling it. So, go to my server again. Go to libs. Download this OpenXR loader lib. Copy it. Go to here. Go to lib. ARM64. Paste it in there. Just like that. Now, you're going to want to right click on the Android manifest, click edit in Notepad, go to the fixed Android manifest, copy text like this, paste it in there. This is going to be your package name. So I'm just going to name it TootTag V5. File, save. You can just leave this how it is. Just change the package to whatever you want. Next out of that, go back to here on the APK to a YML. Right click it, click edit in Notepad. Scroll down, change the minimum SDK version to 32, just like this. Change the version code to 2. I like to do it in 2, so like if you do an update, it would go 2, 4, 6, 8, just like that. Change that to how it is. Click file, save. Make sure that this is set to 32 or it will not work on some headsets. X out of that. Great, you're ready to actually compile it now. So you're gonna click on select decompiled APK, science flashback, okay. As you can see, it has my package name and everything. You click compile. Now wait for it to compile. Oh wait, no, that wasn't it. Hold up. Sorry. Oh, I'm not done yet. You're going to want to go to Keystore. Download this Keystore right here. Click on Options, Signer, and click on Use Keystore for signing. Enable this. Click Change and select your Keystore, or select this Keystore. Then the password under here, type in 123456 because that's the password. Okay, now I'll go back to main, select decompiled WK, science flashback, okay. Also, to stop it, just press escape. Click on compile, now wait for it to compile. I'll come back to you guys once it's fully compiled. Okay, and it should say sign successful. You guys also need to download MetaQuest Developer Hub as well. Sign into your developer account on this. Click on app distribution. Go down to whatever one you just did. I did TootTag V5, obviously. And then, yeah, make sure that it's correct. Then you're going to want to click on beta, click upload, upload again. Then on recompiled APKs, science flashback, next, upload. You might get an error that says, please agree to these messages, or like agree to all of this stuff. Just copy that text, paste it into your thing, delete all the extra text, and just agree to all that stuff. I promise you it's really easy. And yeah, now you just have to wait for the beta to upload. And I am going to show you guys on my headset that it actually works, and servers are working and everything. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys when that's done. Okay, if we look at my MetaQuest Developer Hub here, this should be yellow, like this. That means it's fully uploaded and it worked. So on your TootTag V5, you're going to want to click on Distribution, Release Channels. Click on this. Click on the test status, and you're going to want to wait for this to get finished. So I'll be back when that's all done. Also, another way is that whenever this turns white, that means it's working. And you're going to want to keep refreshing your page until both of these have a check mark on them, or just wait until this turns white instead of yellow. So I'll be back when that's done. Okay, if we refresh it and look here, it is finished. So now, to actually get it over to your headset, you're going to want to click on, if I remember correctly, it was Release Channels. This, click on Settings, Public, Grant via URL, click Save Changes. This is your URL to go over and get on your headset. So copy the URL and go paste it into here. Sorry. Paste it into here like this. It should load up. Make sure that you're on the right account. Click I agree and click join. This is not the right account, so I'm going to transfer you guys over to my headset to show you that it works. Okay, I am on my headset now. I'm going to go reset my boundary. As you can see, here it is right here. It's on my account. I'm going to click download. It should say queued and it should just start downloading. Click on it. It's going to ask you for your microphone. Click on allow. just gonna want to wait for it to load up. As you can see, I'm loaded up. I have long arms. If we come over here, and these should be in the science update. I'm pretty sure it was in winter or something. I don't know. I don't really have any remembrance. If I walk out here, as you can see, I connect to the servers perfectly fine. The Preds feel good. If I come up here, as you can see, I'm connected to the server. MOTD is working. Tutorial OS, as I was saying before, works fine. If you go down here, there's the name Toot. I'm just going to change it to what my normal name is. As you can see, names work. It's changed to Tootail. And if I come over here to the city, this is for proof that cosmetics work. If we come over to here, I want this headset right here. If we come over here, click on this. It should say successfully purchased. As you can see, it's over there. As you see, it's on my head right here, and it is server-sided. And it does work as well. So, yeah, that's how to do APK method.